Hello and welcome to Blockchain Silver, the place where we analyze what in the world is going on in crypto. Today we're going to talk about $90 to $162 EOS in the year 2020. Warning, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for fun and entertainment purposes only. It is best to do your own due diligence, form your own conclusions, and invest based on your opinion of the market. Cryptocurrency markets are highly speculative and may lose value. Be safe out there. All right, so this here is 2017. 2018 would be about right here. So this is December. Then this here would be January. Sorry for the terrible drawing. The black is Bitcoin, the green is Ethereum, and the orange is EOS. Now EOS tends to follow Ethereum. EOS is Ethereum on steroids. And so EOS comes out in, I don't remember what it was, June, July. And it drops down to 50 cents. And then from there, that was it. It had a bull run up to about $18. About the time Ethereum was at its high. And then it had another good run in April, near the end of April 2018. While everything else was coming down. And so here's what I see happening for EOS in the future. So January 13th, 2018, EOS trades at 1816. And the same day, Bitcoin trades at 14,397. So let's take a look. January 13th. This here is Bitcoin. Today it's trading at 10.2. We want to go to January the 13th, 14,397. EOS. January 13th, $18.16. And if I didn't show you, this is EOS trading at $4 today. Today is September 16th, 2019. And so what that represents is a 1 to 792 ratio. Just take the Bitcoin price divided by 1816 and you're going to get 792. So it took 792 EOS to equal 1 Bitcoin. Well, April 29th, EOS had another bull market and it led up to a price of 21.46. It actually went a little bit higher. I think it went to 22 and some change. It might even touch 23, but we'll say 21.46. And on the same day, April 29th, Bitcoin trades at 94.59. So let's take a look. This here is EOS, April 29th. 21.46. Bitcoin, 94.59. And so you take these two, and now you divide these two. Take the Bitcoin price, divide by the EOS price, you get a 1 to 440 ratio. So now it was almost cut in half from here. Not quite, about 75%. But you take 440 EOS, and that equals 1 Bitcoin. So it shows that it's closing in. Whether that'll continue or not, who knows. The next one, it may be somewhere in between. Or it may be on this end, or it may be on this end. We're not sure, and there's not enough data. EOS, in my book, it's still a young coin. It's only, what, a year and a half? Not 2 years old. What is it? Set 2017, 18, 19. It's actually about a little over 2 years old, so it's still a young coin. And so just to be safe, we'll figure both. So if you haven't watched the video, Path to $99,000 Bitcoin, click on my channel, click on the videos, and look for this video here. And I make a pretty good case for Bitcoin going to 99,000 probably sometime next year. It might be in the first half of the year. It might be in the last half. We don't know. The halving is coming up. And so let's just say if Bitcoin goes to 99,000 and then comes down 28% because that's what it did the last time. It went to $20,000, and then it came down from there on January 13th, when EOS and Ethereum both maxed out on the same day, January 13th at 14. When Bitcoin was at 14,397, Ethereum and EOS were at their highs, and that's about a 28% drop from its high. And so I'm just going to treat it like it's going to happen again. If Bitcoin doesn't come down that much, then we're just money ahead. But so Bitcoin goes to 99,000, then comes down 28%. So let's just say it's trading at 71,280. Bitcoin divided by 792, which is this ratio here, and then the next one is this ratio. So divided by 792, you get $90 EOS. And if we divide it by the same price by 440, we get $162 EOS. If it goes perfectly in the middle of this, you take these two, add them together, divide it by 2, and run the math. You're going to get about $115, $116 EOS. So I wouldn't be surprised to see EOS go somewhere around $100 in the next bull run when everything is maxing out. Now, this is all based on if. This is if Bitcoin goes to 99,000, then comes down, if EOS hits these ratios. I want you to remember, EOS is an inflationary coin. This is a coin where every certain amount of blocks, I think it's once a year, there's more EOS that goes into the network, and so that's how they make the transactions free. Bitcoin, Litecoin, those are deflationary currencies. Every year there's less and less and less. They have a max amount. Bitcoin's 21 million. Litecoin is 84 million. EOS does not have a max amount. Just like Ethereum, they're inflationary coins. They do not have maximum amounts. So however old it gets, I think it's capped at 6% a year, but every year there's going to be more coins that are issued. So I see this ratio headed up towards this area here. I don't think we're going to see the 440 again, but we could. Something amazing could happen. The public could fall in love with EOS, and ultimately it could go lower than this. We don't know. So take everything I say with a grain of salt. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Do all your own research, all your own homework, and form your own conclusions. This is a whole big if, but this is what I see happening for myself. And so that's it. Other than that, feel free to like the video, share, comment, and subscribe. And also in the comments, put if you like EOS, if you hate it, if you think it's going to the moon, if you're a buyer, a seller, you think it's the worst investment in the world, you wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole, feel free to put that in the comments. And always feel free to subscribe. I upload stuff daily. Every now and then I might take a day off, but for the most part I try to get a video up every day. And so thank you again, and remember to be safe out there.